Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are officially leaving London, which is so sad but also so very necessary. I'm leaving London because it's been 2 months and it's time to go back home and start to get ready for online university. So I'm literally here just packing my suitcase. Can you see this? And I thought you guys might want to pack with me because I don't know, I feel like we arrived here together, so let's leave together. And while I'm packing, we'll just have a little chat. And it feels very chaotic, like the way that I'm trying to pack, because I'm packing the night before and I don't know why I always do that to myself. Like, why do I just never do it on time? I don't know, but yeah, it's the end of the journey. It's time to leave London, and I've actually had a really great time here with my friends. We got closer, we spent time together, and I think it was largely because I was here, but I wasn't here for anything other than just to be here. Like, I wasn't here for work. Well, I was, because I was still filming and stuff and making content, but I wasn't here for an internship or here for anything other than just to just relax and breathe before I start university. So it's just been amazing, like being able to see them, spend time with them, relax with them and stuff like that, which is a privilege I've never had, and I've just gotten to know myself a lot better as well. Yeah, it's been great, and now we're packing to go back, which I am excited about, but also not, because I don't like being home, not in the sense that I hate my family, in the sense that I just like to be on the move. So for me, being home is a strange concept. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be something. So far I've packed this side, I've packed this side, and this wardrobe is now empty, and that was full. Like, this was my main wardrobe that I used for the day-to-day clothes that I was wearing. And now we are going to, let's move on to the dresses side of things, because I bought quite a few of those as well. The first round is done. We have done all of the clothes, and right now the suitcase is super packed. I'm sweating, I'm hot. I've changed my clothes because I was so hot and had to put shorts on. Yeah, so the first batch of stuff is done. Yeah, now it's time to try and close this suitcase. Okay, you guys, that was not easy. That was the most difficult suitcase that I've ever done in my life, but the first one is done. So heavy. I'm sweating, I'm so hot. Come on guys, let's get suitcase number 2 opened. Okay, so now we are moving on to the electronics. So that's all like my hair stuff, which I have a lot of, and I don't know if you're actually supposed to wrap your cords around like this. I've heard that you're not supposed to, but when you're packing, it just makes it a lot easier to carry around. So everything is now packed up. I'm so hot, I'm sweating. It's time to leave this place, and I'm so sad. Everything is empty. My brother was here to pick me up, and I spent the entire evening packing. It was so hot, and this is everything, and we are done. Are you ready to lift some bags for Auntie? Yes. Joshua, are you ready? Show me your strength. Oh yeah, oh yes, let's go. I have a lot of stuff, huh? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm selling my Xbox for £200. I've been waiting for Nintendo for 4 years.
Okay, that is everything. I've locked up. That is it. My time in London is now over. This was the place I was staying, for everybody who was wondering. Had a beautiful living room. I used to work over here, and this was the kitchen. This was the hallway. This was the beautiful bathroom that I had. There I am, hot, sweating, bothered. This was the bedroom I was staying in, with all this space, and that's it. Time in London is over. I washed the bed sheets and things so that it's clean. I need to pick that up, and that's pretty much it. I know you guys wanted a tour. That's it. This is where I have been staying, living and enjoying, and it's time to say goodbye. So that's it. Now it's time to go home and back to business and let the education vlogs resume.